Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this week's video. It is my first Declutter with Friends and I'm so excited. I love seeing how other people live and seeing other people's homes. We were hanging out at my friend's house and decided to do a little decluttering and film it for you guys. So this is Frankie. We're in her kitchen here in Los Angeles. Hi Frankie. And if you don't know who I am, that's me. I'm Carla. This is my channel. Make sure to subscribe. It's free. And today we are tackling her pantry and giving it the makeover it deserves. Stay tuned to see how it turns out. Hey guys, welcome to this week's video.
Wait, you're putting the gas on.
Oh, am I? We're in a very tiny kitchen. This is like a kitchen corner.
It's a full kitchen still.
It's a full kitchen by LA apartment standards. This is my friend Frankie.
Hello.
And today we're really just gonna make over her pantry. She's got one of these is it freestanding?
Yes.
Freestanding pantry. It's packed to the gills. So we're gonna do some decluttering, some rearranging, some organizing. She probably hasn't cleared it out for how long would you say?
A little while.
It's been a while. It's been a while. So we're gonna do some decluttering here and we're also gonna utilize this shelf that she has. I think as far as your kitchen goes, in terms of where she can store her pantry items, is this freestanding spot. This right here, do you prefer clean countertops?
Yes.
So we're gonna basically have this area be clean and clear. Oh, and then we're gonna utilize above the pantry as well and see maybe we might get some sort of like shelf riser. I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna get creative. What's your vision for a pantry? Do you have a pantry vision? Not everyone has a pantry vision.
No. Usable all the way. Every shelf usable.
Okay, every shelf usable, so definitely care about function. So we're also going to try to see what we can do to make things pretty. We might do a run to the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store and see what we can pick up. Or we're going to do something to zhuzh it up a little bit. So we're going to zhuzh.
Zhuzh.
I do love zhuzh. So we're going to see how much we can get done. We're on a deadline. We're kind of going to work fast today. So I think it's time to just like unpack. That's always the first step with decluttering. Take it all out, assess what the situation is, where we're starting from, and then see what we're going to discard. Go team. I always start decluttering by taking everything out. You really got to touch your items, see what you're working with, see what you've got going on inside those cabinets. And so she had had this freestanding pantry for 5 years and had never cleared it out. And this was a really good way for us to assess the situation and see what we were starting with.
I don't think I've done this since I got this. So it's been like 5 years.
The pantry is a really great place to start for decluttering because it's a smaller, focused project. And sometimes you just need to start small to get the ball rolling. And then you get bit by the decluttering bug and you kind of get hooked. So I say start small. If you are feeling overwhelmed, why not just clear out one cabinet, one shelf, or if you want to do your pantry like we did, between the two of us, we got this done in 2 hours. So, hey, have a friend over. Tell them to come over for coffee and then surprise them and say, hey, do you want to help me declutter my pantry? I don't know, it might work. Here we are. Here's everything. We're just gonna pick up one item at a time. There are obvious keepers here, like her food processor. She's got a really great kitchen mixer. Then all of her towels. Most of this stuff that's pantry is gonna end up in the trash if it's outdated. I'd say pantry consists of dried goods, spices, vitamin supplements, towels, and
Coffee and tea.
Aprons, canned goods,
Baking stuff.
Baking supplies and
Food storage.
What are these? Vinegars, bottles, soy sauce.
The Super Asian variety.
I went to Tokyo Mart yesterday.
That's the best, right?
It's so good.
Have you been H Mart?
Yes, I love H Mart.
Hercules, Hercules, Hercules.
Now that we have everything out, it is time to discard and declutter. The pantry is going to be mainly expired items that need to be trashed or items that are going to be kept and reorganized and put back into the pantry shelf. But we did actually find quite a few random knickknacks that needed to be decluttered, including a blender she'd had in her pantry for 5 years that was broken. And she kept telling herself she would get the blade fixed. So finally decided to let that go, and that freed up one of her shelves entirely. It was definitely a debate though. And that's why I think it can help having someone else, an outside perspective, to kind of talk you through the process of decluttering. Like, girl, are you really going to fix the blade on that blender? Or do you want to just go to the store and get a new blender when you need one, considering you've been living without one for the last 5 years, or living with a broken one for the last 5 years? This is where friends can help. Now we have all our items that we are keeping, and after wiping off the cans and the bottle tops, I did some measuring of the pantry shelves so we could take those measurements to the store. And we decided to rearrange a few things, put a few things that didn't need to be out on display into the cabinets, and clear off the windowsill and do a little bit more cleaning of that shelf that's above her stove. Now with measurements in hand, we were ready to hit up a local store to see what we could find for organizing. First, we stopped at the 99-cent store, but we didn't have any luck there and knew we were looking for more acrylic style containers and at least one decorative basket. So we had the light bulb idea to head to Marshall's, and that was the perfect spot. They have so many super affordable containers and baskets, and it was a successful mission. So we got one of these for her spices, a couple of these for corralling her baked goods and any other similar items together, and then we got one decorative box to go on top up here. So yeah, now we're gonna just start organizing. We already put everything like objects or with like objects on the desk right now. So we'll do this shelf last, and right now we're gonna start piling things into the pantry shelf unit. Now it is time to organize, and one of the things I like to do is take as many things as possible out of a box or a bag and decant them into a glass canister if you have any that you can reuse. She had quite a few, and for the baskets we just corralled things that were similar together. At the top of the pantry we put all of her items she uses for baking into that wicker basket, and the top shelf is glass jars of seeds and nuts. Spices, second shelf, tea and coffee, third shelf, supplements in that acrylic box on the fourth shelf, and the bottom is her food processor and her dish towels. Now for the shelf that is out open on display, we just wanted it to be less cluttered and crowded and to have her favorite things, but also the things that she reaches for when she's cooking. So she's got all of her kitchen gadgets in a red jar at the top, a nice large ceramic jar, and her KitchenAid mixer on display, a few of her favorite cookbooks, her salt and pepper. And you can just see how much the kitchen is opened up by having that shelf be very minimal and the pantry now organized. Well, our work here is done.
It's amazing.
How do you feel about it?
I feel really good. This looks so good. It feels so functional. I think this will be really useful for me every day.
Yeah, I think it's really functional, and I think it's like just is amazing how much stuff you ended up getting rid of.
A lot of it was just expired goods, but we also got rid of some old cookbooks, magazines, a broken blender that she's had for probably 5 years. Yeah, lots of little knick-knack things that really ends up freeing up a lot of space in here. So, and I really like the decorative basket.
Yes.
We did a Marshall's run and we found a couple of these things. We got her this shelf riser for her spices and a couple of these plastic bins.
I think it looks great.
I think it looks good too. And then for this shelf, we decided to go ahead and show off her beautiful KitchenAid mixer. She does a lot of baking, and then we kept a few of her favorite cookbooks and just kind of made this a more functional and stylish space. Countertops clear. I think it looks lovely, Frankie.
It looks so good. Thank you.
We did it!